Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Nellie from Be Planner Happy. It feels like it's been a while since I recorded a plan with me, but let's just go ahead and get started. I'm doing my gratitude journal for this week, which is March 4th through the 10th. Oh no, wait, first I'm going to do the monthly. That's right. I'm going to do this page. So these are from, this was a budget book, but I just kind of switched the covers. So I went ahead and cut this out just so that it doesn't have to be like a budget book anymore. It can just be what I want it to be, which is a gratitude journal for my husband and I to kind of end the day on a positive note and say something that we are both grateful for that day. So I'm just going to cover this. And this is just cardstock that I cut to size. I hope that I cut the right size. Let's see. I'm always nervous putting it down. Afraid it's going to be crooked or not be on there right. I think that's right. That looks pretty right. May have to re-punch it a little bit. Could have punched it later, but that looks good enough to me. Let's see. You can see a little bit of the black edge, but I think that looks okay. Cute. So you see we did January, and we did February, now March. All right. Well, let's do this quick monthly page. Basically what I write on this page is, oh, and I'm sorry, I have a really ugly bruise from an IV that I had over a week ago. Okay, so I got this book, Spring Has Sprung, and what we do is we write down one random act of kindness that we are going to do that month, and then we also write down something new that we did outside of the home. So if we go to try a new restaurant, or we go to a new place, a new store, that's what we write down. And then, because we're trying to do like one new thing a month. And then also something new at home. So the first month, you know, we did a puzzle. We've been married over 20 years, and we've never sat down and done a whole puzzle together. Puzzle's more my thing than his. But anyway, it's been kind of fun trying to come up with something every month. So I've got this. This is from Recollections. I've got this book. And at first I was writing stuff on here, but I've decided that I don't need like the daily part of it. So this month I wanted to cover up this part because, like I said, I'm not really using it. Oh, it's gonna not be long enough. Let's see. Well, we can add a sticker down there. And I really don't like that line there, but you know what? I'm just gonna not worry about it. I think it's okay. I probably should have gone all the way up and then had something down here, huh? Let's see if it comes off easy. Oh, it does. Okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put it all the way up here like this. Should I go all the way just to that? Let's go to that line. And then I'm just gonna do like this and cover that up. And I was writing down like if we went on a date or something, but I don't know. And then I kind of didn't, so I'm just not gonna worry about it. Let's see, I've got this little piece here. Let's dress that up a little bit. Oh, let's dress up March. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's cute. Let's dress up this little piece of March right here. Oh, that paper did get a little bit bigger up here, huh? I need to trim that cardstock. I have so many videos to do. You know, I've just been super busy. I've had things on my to-do list for a while for my Etsy shop, and I finally just sat down and really focused on getting it done. And I created a bunch of really cute pages for Valentine's Day. Here, I'll show you one real quick. So these are printable stickers that you can purchase in my shop. There's a bunch of different sets. And I did put in, and I'll add this at the bottom, I put a code that says, that's just for YouTube people. So if you're one of my YouTube followers and you want to purchase something from my shop, it's 20% off until the 17th. So I'll add that in the description, or maybe in like a pinned comment, and that way you guys can get a little discount if you decide to buy from my shop. Anyway, let's get back to this. So I thought this just had such pretty flowers and things in it. I want to cover up the 1, 2, and 3. I want to put something here. So let's see, what can we put? I love all these little flowers. This is cute. Oh, this one's nice. Let's do this one because it's kind of like straight across. Very cute. And then let's cover up that 1, 2, 3. Do we want to do the butterflies? These little flowers are cute. There's so many cute things in here. The little birdies. Oh my gosh, look at him and them. Oh, they're definitely going in here. And gardening, we've been doing a lot of gardening lately. Well, not a lot, but we just now started getting back out into the yard, and oof, not super fun. Okay, these are cute, but that might, oh, look at these. These are cute. I think these are perfect. Let's try these. Like this. Oh, look how cute. Okay, 1, and then 2. This is a really cute sticker book, and I'm pretty sure you can still find this one at Michael's. Oh, that one didn't peel off right. Let's see. Oh, they're not peeling right. That one's right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's so cute. Okay, so what do we want up here? Bloom with grace and full bloom. Kind work. It's just keep growing. Love blooms. Okay. Let's see. I love this. I'm gonna have to use this somewhere. What do we want going across this way? I think I want to do one of these pretty flowers here. I think I want to put that over here. Let's do this one. Oh, I tore it. Oh my god, why is it tearing? There. Okay. Look how pretty. That's pretty. Okay. This way. I'm so glad that spring is here. I am over cold weather. I am not a cold weather person at all. I actually dislike it very much. Okay, let's do another one over here and kind of balance that out. Or we could go up here like this. No, that one doesn't really match, does it? Which one was it? This one? Oh, it's right here. This is the one that matches, or this one matches too. I like this one. Here. Ooh, I like that. Let's put that there. Ooh, so pretty. This book has some cute stuff. Still haven't figured out what I'm doing for my catch-all. It's like I have to be, I don't know, it's like I look through all my books. I know a lot of people, like they decide ahead of time, like the week before, or, you know, like they set up their whole entire, what they're going to use for the year or for the month. I can't do that. Or if I did pick something, then I'd be like, I don't want to use that this time. Aw, look at the bunnies. They're cute. Let's wipe some of this out right here. The whiteout pen. Okay, that's too cute. Let's put them right there. Oh, I gotta I gotta white that out again. Too cute. Let's do that so that it dries. Okay. All right, this is just looking very cute already. And I really like this guy. The little squirrel, he matches. Look how cute. I'm going to use him maybe here. No, I don't like him there. Darn it. I need something, maybe flowers or grass. Oh my gosh, and this bird is too cute. Does the bird fit this way? We're just going to do a full-on spring scene. Oh yes, look at that. That's cute. Let's put that there. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Okay, kind of feel like I need something here. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, we can use some of this or some of those bigger flowers. Should we put a girl? What do I want to use? I wonder how this would look. This was here, or here. I don't know. I'm going to save that for something else. Maybe spring has sprung. Let's put spring has sprung here. I don't like that black line. I guess I could do a little bit of orange, or I can just white it out. Or I could just not worry about it too. Okay, let's do like that. And then I think we need like a butterfly or something up here by March. Like that. Okay. And then we still need something down here. I need one of the girls. Holding the flowers, digging in the dirt. There. Oh, let's see. And I'm probably going to put this back, but I'm going to try just to see how. Yeah, I don't like that. So she's flowering. We'd have to put some for her to be throwing water on, right? This is cute. Let's see. This is too big. Yeah, it is. Unless if we did like that. I don't know. What do you think? How does that look? I don't like the fact that it's like almost hitting the bunnies. Can I find something for there? Oh, this might work. All right, this is what's going to go here, whether I like it or not. That one, maybe this one. Okay, we're just going to do like a couple things here. That one, and then that one, and then maybe the girl. Let's see. Put her here. I kind of like that. Okay. And then I need something for her to like kind of be on, right? Or she's standing behind the tomatoes. Kind of looks like she's standing on the tomatoes, huh? Do I have another one? Let's see. I'm going to put the tomatoes here. And then over here, I think I'm going to do another flower thing. let's go with this one. It's going to be like this. Okay, I like that. Oh. Okay, let's cut this in half. Oh my god, everything stuck to my... I should have saved some of these, but it's okay. I like it. That was cute. Right? You need to stick. Alright. And then maybe something right above her. Let's see. Either like a butterfly. I saw some speech bubbles too. Let's see. What do these say? It was... Did I pass it? Hey there. The earth laughs in flowers. Keep on growing. I love you. Maybe the hey there. Let's see what else could go up there. Oh, we could do a bird flying. How does that look? Looks kind of cute, but he's kind of big. Let's do... And the butterflies are like really big. That one? I'm okay with that. Okay. I think that's good. That one's done. Let me see. I've got my big punch here. Let's do like this. All right. And this one. Okay. Let's put it back. Like this. Aw, that's cute and really sweet. I like it. I hope you like it too. Let's go down a little bit so you can get a better look. And there we go. It's ready. I'm just going to add what we're going to do for the random act of kindness, a new thing out of the house and a new thing at home. So next I'm going to do this one, but I'll make that one another video. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.